Hi all, I am Arumugam, editor stick2hockey.com. I am speaking from Kalinga Stadium, which has attained iconic status among the Indian hockey and the global hockey fans. The tournament that is going on here is Junior World Cup. India is hosting the Junior World Cup third time in a row. Indian hockey team, which has won the bronze medal at Tokyo recently, has spurred the spirit all over India, all over the Asian continent. How a team that could not even qualify 8 years ago could bounce back and clinch a medal at a forum like Olympics. So among this enthusiasm, under expectation of too much from the hockey, Vivek Singh led a hockey team for this Junior World Cup. They had a onerous task of retaining the cup because 5 years ago at Lucknow, India defeated Belgium in the final to win its second Junior World Cup title in many attempts. So there was a lot of pressure on the Indian team. The youngsters last 2 years were training against their only senior Indian teams. They could not make any tour or any exposure trips because due to this pandemic. However, they kept their spirit alive. Sports Authority of India, Hockey India, all those involved put their best efforts, and they have been training at Bangalore Special Training Center. Yes, the final day has come. On the recording day, the first match it was against France. France is always a team that never gives up. So Indian team started very badly, considered 2 goals in the very first quarter in the early moments, then came back, scored both the goals to have the score 2-2 at the end of the quarter 1. After that, India could not score in the next 2 quarters. Meanwhile, the French kept their pressure. Their wings worked very brilliantly. They were precise in their distribution. They were very energetic, as if they have been preparing for so many years. It showed in their result. They were leading at one point of time 5-2. Then Sanjay Singh came and converted 2 penalty corners. Overall, India scored 4 goals out of penalty corners. Field goals were lacking in, but they tried. A shot of Uttam Kumar, for an example, hit the top bar and bounced back into the game. It was a very unlucky shot. So the match entered 5-4 in favor of the visiting French, and it was a setback for the defending champions India. But today, as I talk to you, the situation is different, the mood is different. Within 24 hours, Indian team bounced back with a thumping 13-1 victory over Canada, which also has incidentally 8 Indian origin players. So here, a moments before, coach of the Indian team and the main goal scorers, the 6-footer Arjit Singh Kundal and Abhishek Lakda, a local hero, and all others spoke about how the victory has come about. And it was interesting to see the young players just forgotten the bad day they had yesterday, and they bounced back into the game. Now, tomorrow is rest day. After they have one more day. That day they will play against Poland, which really upset the Canada on the opening day. France has won both the matches from the India's Pool B. Whether India or France, they will be topping, and both teams in all probability will be qualifying for the quarterfinal. After that, it is going to be altogether a different tournament, and the tournament will be in the business end. Till then, Indian fans keep supporting the Indian goals. They are very young players. There are 18 years old boy is there, 19-year-old boy is there. And interestingly, there is a boy who is the son of former Indian hockey, women hockey legend Pritham Sivach. His 18-year-old son, Yashdeep, wearing jersey number 47, is also playing here. So a lot of youngsters who will make a future Indian hockey are here, and Indian hockey needs your support, and there are many matches about to come, and the authorities here and the organization, National Organization of Hockey, and the media, everyone is putting their best foot forward, and it is expected Indian team from here on, we'll go ahead and we'll finish in the final, we hope. This I'm bringing to you for the stick2hockey.com website, which is in the Limca Book of Record, and we have been doing the service of providing proper information from on the spot, from the ground, last over 23 years. Goodbye.